Bluehost features honest review. Bluehost is a reliable service and a good match for your project. What products does Bluehost offer? Domain names. Although they are not the cheapest domain name registrar, you can buy a domain names directly from Bluehost. Shared hosting. You need to geek around with your server's configuration. A shared hosting plan is the one you ought to consider. WordPress hosting. Bluehost has a WordPress-focused hosting service. It's optimized for WordPress sites and comes with several perks like a staging area. It's a bit pricey as it starts at $29.99 a month, more expensive than SiteGround, VPS. You'll share a server with other clients, but there's a virtual wall between your projects and theirs. Dedicated servers. You can think of this as having your own house, no neighbors or roommates to bother you. Dedicated hosting plans start at $1 if you want a hosting service with unmetered storage and unlimited bandwidth. If you are looking to host a small medium project, for example a bakery site, and you won't be getting tons of traffic, Bluehost can be an okay alternative.
Shared hosting plans offer loads of storage. 4 unmetered bandwidth.
Bluehost cons. 1 constant upsells. Their system is packed with continuous upsell pitches, which gets annoying. 2 speed could be better in our tests. Bluehost's speed didn't exactly come out at the top of the table. However, it isn't terrible. 3 only US servers. Unlike other providers, you only have the option to host your site in the US. If your readers come from other regions, they could face having a very slow site. 4 poor backup options. The entry-level plans don't have a good backup solution. Click on the first link in the description box below to book your plan now, with Bluehost through the official Bluehost website. Just $3.95 per month. If you are the first to visit us in the Reviewer CH channel, subscribe to the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and activating the belling tool, and put like a video to receive all new